Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample that I was provided by Bryan and Candy. It's called Delicate Rose Bath and Body Essentials. So it's a pretty package that makes a perfect gift for a Mother's Day, for an anniversary, for a birthday, even Valentine's Day. I love the color. It's very girly. So here we have the here we have the face wash. So it cleanses your face while it moisturizes your face. Here is the sponge, very useful. The body butter for an intensive skin care and moisturizes your skin and also smells delicious, smells like rose. And this is the bath and shower gel. Um, Everything smells the same, so that's awesome. This is how it looks. I'm going to pour a little bit on my hand. It looks like a silky pink, light pink wash. All you have to do is mix it with water, put it on the sponge, and enjoy. I love the set. I love the scent. I love the moisturizing part. Thank you for watching my video.